engine on?
It's on the very front of it.
Oh.
You have way too many videos of that, sir.
Because sometimes it gets hundreds of views from the train.
And guess what? I'm good. Abe actually got Abe actually got 5,000 views of just a cloud. He got 5,000 views of just a cloud.
Well, look at that car. Look at that one.
Okay, the train passed by. Mine recorded.
Hey, Waylon.
Oh yeah, it didn't.
Hey, Waylon, do you want to hear the weirdest thing I saw today? I saw two.
There's a steam engine. Look, Dylan, look. That one right there is called a steam engine. Well, look at that bright light on the front of it.
How many subscribers do you normally get from it?
57.
What the? You get 57 each video?
Not each video, but I have 57.